In the world of retail, inventory is king, but managing it can be a royal pain. Stockouts, overstock, and unhappy customers. Introducing the X2X eCommerce all-in-one RMH integration solution. Say goodbye to inventory mishaps with real-time syncing across all sales channels. Our system ensures accurate inventory management, eliminating the risk of overselling or underselling. Efficient order processing means your inventory is always up to date, keeping your customers satisfied. And with integrated shipping options, orders go out quickly, with tracking information at your fingertips. Happy customers mean repeat business and a healthier bottom line. X2X eCommerce RMH integration, inventory management made easy. Unlock seamless retail harmony today. Visit our website to learn more.